Okay, we're trying to put it on top of the robot.
Okay.
You've had enough of George, haven't you? That's George.
Let's try that again. Want to try that again? No, you're gonna kill us, aren't you? Well, we're gonna try that again, okay? We're gonna try it again. It's not gonna hurt you. It'll be fine.
Oh, just a sunny day.
Okay, ready?
Isn't that
I'm gonna
cute?
put you back on there. Ready?
You can make it sit, that'd be great.
Okay, puppy, stay on there. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's like holding. It's like, oh, okay. Oh, it's falling off. It's scared.
No.
Oh, puppy, I wouldn't do that. It's gonna fuck you up. Okay, we're gonna try this again, okay?
Again?
Last time.
Last
Last time.
If we can make it sit on
Third
there,
time
stay on
the
it
charm.
forever.